Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the OnePlus Nord. So let's get into the unboxing. So now we have peeled out of the cover. So let's open this box. Oh, that was satisfying. And this revealed the phone. Okay, first, actually this is a blue marble color one.
So first, let's keep this aside and get into the contents of the box. So here we go. Okay, they have given a plastic stand for that. And I think we have to open this one. Okay.
We have unraveled. Just charge it. Oh, here we go. The red cable.
There's a streamers for the red cable actually. In my opinion. Okay.
What's inside the mama? So they have given a welcome letter. Oh, the team. Okay.
Yeah, they have given a nice case to start out. Oh, they're doing this for the charging pin. Well, it's nice. And let's open this up. Okay, I think we have to open like this. Okay, OnePlus Nord.
This is the same ejection tool actually.
This looks really fun, see? And they have given us the stickers, OnePlus Nord, white and black one. So they have also given us a quick start guide. They'll sort it out later, safety information.
And the Red Cable Club card, I think so. Yep. Wow. It is what? Okay, first of all, let's clear this all junk.